This video takes another look at the use of the discrete sampling option to draw a series of multiple samples from a set of data given the observations, in this case numbers of prenatal visits made by various women, and the proportion associated with those values. In this case, the proportion of women who made 1 visit, 2 visits, and so on. If we look at this distribution quickly, it looks like this. Most women made 3 to 7 visits perhaps, or 2 to 7 visits. Fewer women made more. What we're going to do now is draw, as shown in figures 6.17 through 6.20, 100 samples of size 30 out of this body of data. This 0.0588 represents the proportion of all women coming to a particular prenatal clinic that made only 1 visit. This 0.1702 represents the proportion that made 5 visits. If we thought of the total number of women coming to the prenatal clinic in some period of time as being 10,000, and this would be a fairly long period of time, then 68 of those 10,000 women made 11 prenatal visits. 1,981 of those 10,000 women made 4 visits, and so on. So now we're going to draw 100 samples of size 30 to estimate the average number of visits made by all women. To do that, we go to Tools, Data Analysis. Comes up with random number generation. OK. And here I'll put 100 in number of variables, which indicates that I'm going to have 100 samples. And the number of random numbers in each sample will be 30. It's already come up as a discrete distribution. It could be some other type, uniform, normal, and so on. But it is discrete. As soon as I selected discrete, the random seed capability was grayed out. I'm not sure why that happens, but the solution to that problem, if you want to use a random seed, is to change to some other type of distribution, and I'll change to uniform, and put in the random seed you're going to use. In this case it will be 3275, which is exactly the same as that used in the book. And then go back to the discrete option. Now the random seed possibility is grayed out, but the 3275 is still there. Now we'll choose the value and probability range. These are the values and these are the probabilities. And that is exactly what is shown in figure 6.19. We're going to put the results on a new worksheet ply, so when I say OK, I now have a new sheet that has 100 samples going all the way out to column CV, and each sample has 30 observations.